Porsche India has launched a Taycan electric sports car in the country, the brand's first ever electric offering. The new Porsche Taycan range is priced from 1 crore 50 lakh rupees onwards, ex-showroom. The automaker has also introduced the Taycan Cross Turismo variants in India. The Taycan brings the driving pleasure associated with the German automaker in an electrifying avatar. The model will be available in 4 trims: Taycan, Turbo, Turbo S and 4S. The Taycan Turbo S Sports Saloon is the most powerful sports car in the Porsche range and develops 750 brake horsepower. Meanwhile, the entry-level Taycan churns out 402 brake horsepower in overboost mode and delivers a range of 484 km on a single charge. The Taycan Cross Turismo is the estate version and offers mild off-road capability, increased headroom, more luggage space and all-wheel drive function. The new Porsche Taycan takes on the Audi e-tron GT in the segment. Porsche India has launched a 2021 Macan facelift with prices starting at 83,21,000 rupees ex-showroom. The luxury SUV gets a second midlife facelift and arrives in India just months after its global debut. The 2021 Macan looks much sharper now with the redesigned nose, new LED headlights and sport design rear-view mirrors. The model also gets larger 19-inch wheels as standard with 21-inch wheels on the GTS version. The cabin has also received updates with new touch surfaces, shorter selector lever and an updated infotainment system. The signature analog clock now comes as standard. As for the engine options, the entry-level Macan gets the 2-litre turbocharged petrol motor with 261 bhp and 400 Nm of peak torque. The Macan S and the Macan GTS get the bigger 2.9-litre V6 engine with 375 bhp and 434 bhp respectively. Deliveries for the new Macan will begin in January next year. Volvo Car India has launched the updated XC90 SUV priced at 89,90,000 rupees ex-showroom. The 2021 XC90 now gets a host of upgrades, most notably the new 2-litre mild hybrid petrol engine replacing the diesel motor. This is the same engine with a 48-volt electric motor that was introduced on the XC60 and S90 recently. The motor is tuned to produce 296 brake horsepower and 420 Nm of peak torque. Power goes to all 4 wheels via the 8-speed automatic transmission. The new XC90 also comes loaded with new age features like an advanced air purifier, heated front seats with massage function, a 19-speaker Bowers & Wilkins system, a crystal gear knob, and a vertically stacked touchscreen infotainment system. The 7-seater luxury SUV can be had in maroon brown and amber upholstery. The Society of Indian Automobile Manufacturers or SIAM has released the monthly sales numbers for October 2021. The total passenger vehicle sales in the domestic market stood at 2,26,353 units last month, registering a 27% decline year-on-year. SIAM says that while manufacturers were banking on the festive season to recover, the shortage of semiconductor chips and the steep hike in raw material costs have played a spoil sport for the auto industry. Total two-wheeler sales for October stood at 15,41,621 units, a nearly 25% decline over the same period last year. Overall, auto sales for October 2021 stood at 17,99,750 units, a nearly 25% decline year-on-year, while production was down by 22%.
We simply love hearing from you. So your comments and feedback are important. Subscribe to our channel, react to this video, and of course, watch our other videos too.